Hi everyone, welcome back to Bukola Naturals and DIYs. My name is Bukola, and in today's video I'll be showing you how to make cloves and rosemary hair rinse that will help speed up your hair growth. So rosemary is an excellent natural remedy for treating hair loss. It repairs damaged hair, restores shine to the hair, and helps treat scalp conditions. So rosemary contains antiseptic, healing, and stimulating properties for the scalp. So for you to have a healthy hair, your scalp has to be first healthy. So rosemary helps heal and relieve wounds on the scalp. The next product I'll be using is clove. So cloves are well known for their beneficial health effects. They are packed with active ingredients like vitamins and minerals that are beneficial to the skin and hair. So cloves contain antifungal properties that prevent itchy scalp. They stimulate blood circulation within the scalp, which stimulates hair growth. One of the things they also do is to help reduce dandruff and prevent dry scalp. So for this hair rinse, as you can see, I'm using fresh rosemary plants and I'm also using dried cloves. Make sure you rinse the fresh rosemary plants before using it. So right now I'm going to put all in a pot with some water and boil it. So right now the clove and rosemary water is ready. So what I'm gonna do right now, because it's still hot, is to let it steep for an hour before I sift it. So now is the time to sift away the leaves, because we don't want them in the water. We don't want the leaves in our hair. So I'm just going to sift the leaves away. So now I'm going to add a few drops of clove essential oils and rosemary essential oils that both contain anti-inflammatory properties. They clean and soothe the scalp, they add shine to the hair, they improve blood circulation, and they promote hair growth. So normally oil sits on the surface of water, so since we are using it right away, we do not need to do anything. So I'm just going to stir everything together. If you want, you can put it in a spray bottle, but you have to use it before 2 days, because without a broad spectrum preservative, it is prone to growth of bacteria, yeast, and mold. So what I'm going to do right now is to use this clove and rosemary water to rinse my hair, but I'm not going to rinse it away. So what I'm doing right now is rinsing my hair, wetting it before adding the clove and rosemary water to rinse it. And after applying it, after using it to rinse my hair, I'm not going to rinse it out with water. I'm just going to leave it like that. So guys, now that I'm done rinsing my hair with this clove and rosemary water, what I'm gonna do now is to moisturize my hair with a good leave-in conditioner and seated with oil. So one of the side effects of clove is that it can dry out the hair, so make sure you do not put it on your hair every day, okay? And always moisturize your hair very well after using it. So right now I'm gonna moisturize my hair and put it in a protective style. So guys, this is my hair a day after I took down my protective style. I'm so loving my afro. So I love using this rinse. You can try it out, but don't use it every time on your hair. So thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Subscribe. Ciao.